we run thousands of campaigns at a given time. And there's a lot of inputs that come in from those campaigns, responses. So we are able to pretty well understand using technology. Again, going back to that's where the enabler, technology as an enabler is what I see, AI. Understanding what kind of people are responding to what kind of messages, what kind of titles are essentially working, or what kind of roles are the most prominent roles for a certain kind of solutions or products. Those inputs that reside in our system. So using that and extreme, machine learning and artificial intelligence and all of that, we are able to actually tell our customers, prospects who are coming to Funnl, that if you give 3 or 4 names of your ideal customer or your existing customer, we would be able to give you, based on our knowledge, who are you supposed to sell into.